Hello everyone, I am Dr. Katpagavalli, Professor and Head, Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology at Seema Dental College and Hospital, Rishikesh. Let me give you a brief introduction of our department.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sushma Darnal, student of MDS third year in Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology at Seema Dental College and Hospital. I am from Gangtok, Sikkim. Being an oral medicine and radiologist, I feel it is a heart of dentistry and we believe in the motto of clinical excellence with compassionate care. Because in OMR, every image tells a story and every diagnosis begins with a vision. So let me take you to the tour of our department. We have a dynamic department with dedicated faculties who strive to train us in the best way possible. At Oral Medicine and Radiology, diagnosis meets precision and patient care begins with clarity. Outpatient department, the first touch point where patients are clinically examined and evaluated for a wide spectrum of oral and maxillofacial disease and mucosal lesions. Our department has specialized unit for orofacial pain, temporomandibular disorder, and dental sleep medicine, where cases are managed with various modalities such as trigger point injection, ultrasonography, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation therapy, and laser interventions for precise and effective treatment. We also perform various routine and advanced biopsies to confirm diagnosis and guide further care. We are equipped with advanced laser unit with which we perform various minor surgical procedures such as frenectomies, crown lengthening, and gingivectomies and PVM therapy, combining the therapeutic value with aesthetic outcomes. The radiology section is dedicated to deliver accurate diagnostic imaging essential for effective treatment, conventional radiography with 3 fully operational intraoral periapical units for efficient and accurate diagnostic, advanced imaging featuring cone beam computed tomography, vital for complex diagnostic and treatment planning needs. Beyond patient care, our department actively has forensic odontology unit aiding in age estimation and human identification, contributing to both science and justice. It is the only institute in whole North India to have tobacco cessation training center. In our dedicated tobacco cessation center, we guide and support individuals towards a healthier, tobacco-free life, improving both oral and systemic well-being. Our department takes pride in being associated with Rochester University, USA for regular teleconsultation and training by international adjunct faculty on OFP TMD cases. At the heart of it all, we blend clinical excellence with compassionate care, driven by continuous learning and innovation. Because in oral medicine and radiology, every accurate diagnosis begins with a trained eye, advanced technology, and a heart committed to care.